Which dog fits your personality? Part 3. The thinker. Quiet, deep, sensitive. Here is your perfect dog. If you are introvert or thoughtful, you respect and value calm over chaos. The best dogs for you are Greyhound, Shih Tzus, or Chow Chow. They are gentle, quiet, and enjoy peaceful environments, just like you. These dogs love stillness and comfort over noise and crowd. Perfect for someone who appreciates space and serenity. Comment your personality and your dogs below. Let's see if they match. Follow for more feng shui tips and find balance in your everyday life.